This is Tim Albright with AVNation with the Road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe happens the 3rd through the 6th of February in Barcelona. And with me to talk about Peavey and their stand, Mr. James Kennedy. Welcome, sir.
Hi, Tim. Good to be on here.
Good to see you. You guys are over in Hall 7, Hall 7D as in David 680, 7D 680. James, Peavey's been around for a long time in the audio side of the AV industry. So this time around, what will we find in the Peavey stand?
Yeah, thanks, Tim. Yeah, we have been around a long time, and that's a very poignant place to start, actually, because we are celebrating our 60 years of Peavey this year. We'll follow that into the first quarter of next year at ISE and celebrate 60 years on our booth at ISE and also at NAMM show. So yeah, we've got lots of new things to show people, integrators, end users, consultants, specifiers alike. The biggest thing and the flagship product and solution that we'll be showing is our new 3rd generation Media Matrix platform, which is Scion, S-C-I-O-N. And this is a all new, built from the ground up processor, DSP and control, which boasts a remarkable 512 by 512 channels of AES-67 networked audio. And that's a protocol which we are calling SNet. And it's an all new powerful DSP engine on board. And basically it has 3 audio interfaces, so you can get audio in and out of the box over the network using SNet. You have an optional Dante interface, and we're carrying on from the Neon, which was the predecessor, the Neo card system. So if you want to put local analog inputs in and out of the box, you can as well. So lots of functionality, and we're going to be showing that and showcasing that with a bunch of other products in our ecosystem. A to D, D to A solutions, so wall panels with 2 in, 2 output, 1 RU, breakout boxes in different channel complements. So, for example, 8 in, 8 out in a 1U package called SDAB. We'll also have control elements to it as well. So we'll show the S-Touch 55, which is a PoE 5.5 inch touchscreen, which runs Android and runs natively with the Media Matrix platform. So we'll have control, we'll have audio going around the booth, and we'll be showcasing the capability and the feature set of Scion.
Very cool. James, really quickly, if somebody's not hasn't jumped into that all-in-one package thing, right? Well, they're used to amplifiers, and I'm going to outboard my DSP or whatever. What is the interaction for an IT or an AV manager to get go down an all-in-one system?
The first thing is, the pluggability of it, the interoperability of Media Matrix is the important thing from an IT level. We work with IEEE standards, yep. And that's for control and audio networking. We have, layers of security, which is always a good thing for, the AV IT convergence, let's say. So putting audio systems onto an IT network and converging those into, a working solution. So we play friendly with all of those protocols, all of those standards. And they're standards and protocols which, IT experts and professionals are used to. The AES-67 standard, which is based on SNet, is an IP layer 3 protocol, which adheres to all of your standard Ethernet protocols and standards. So yeah, we play friendly. We've got layers of security. And to the IT expert, it's another node on the network, which is fully monitored with its health status, what it's doing, its uptime, and all of that good stuff that we can monitor and track and timestamp for critical systems life safety systems, performance spaces alike. So we have that interoperability, we have that traceability and the surveillance of, an IoT style end-to-end solution.
Yeah, absolutely. Hall 7, D as in David, 680, 7D, 680. James is where we'll find you, is where we'll find Peavey. But not everybody gets to go to ISE. So if they're not going and they want to follow along with everything that Peavey is talking about that week, how do they do that?
They can visit our website, which is the easiest thing to do, peaveycommercialaudio.com. They can come and see us on LinkedIn. We're on all of the usual social channels. We're going to be launching a new education program very soon as well.
Very nice.
We're pretty busy. We're doing lots of videos, lots of things. We have some, white papers on certain stuff, and you can come and check us out. And we've got a lot of information about our equipment and about our wares and solutions that we've got coming out. We're really looking forward to it.
All right, very good. James Kennedy from Peavey. Again, Hall 7D 680 is where you'll find them. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. And follow along as we also head to Barcelona for ISE 2026, the 3rd through the 6th of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. Avnation.tv.